People are looking for more ways to build their credit without having to spend a lot of money, okay, guys? And this is made to build your credit fast. You could build a positive payment history, which is the single most important factor for your score. So this is how it works. Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to go over a new credit builder and finance app that's financially backed by Kevin Durant and Ashton Kutcher. Let's go straight into it. All right. So either way, I'm going to show you guys, this is how the app looks and everything, but I'm going to go actually into their credit builder account. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So you can build credit for a credit card or whatever you want. They're going to type a couple things that you guys can do in there. Okay, but now it's pretty cool. There's no credit approval. There's no interest or upfront deposit. And it's only $10 a month that you can cancel at any time, guys. Okay, so what's pretty cool about this is that this is designed for everyone. Whether you have no credit or bad credit, you can start building your credit within seconds in an instant approval. There's no credit check needed, okay? Built to save you money. Forget about paying upfront fees, deposits, or interest. Members will build credit and by saving as little as $1 a month, okay? Now, this is already starting to look like a lot of these other credit builders that are out there, but that's the wave right now. People are looking for more ways to build their credit without having to spend a lot of money, okay, guys? And this is made to build your credit fast. You could build a positive payment history, which is the single most important factor for your score. So this is how it works, guys. So you'll be able to get started in seconds. The first thing you got to do, you open up a credit builder account. They'll help you apply with a 24-month loan, and you'll be able to keep the funds in a locked deposit account in your name. This starts building the credit history and improves your credit mix. We talked about credit mixes, guys. It's not just about having credit builders. This is to start building your score. That's going to lead to credit cards, auto loans, personal loans, and of course, mortgage loans if you guys are interested in home buying and things of that sort. But this is going to help you get to where you need to be. Okay. Number two, set aside as little as $1 a month. Choose how much you want to contribute towards your monthly payment. If you choose less than $25, the rest will be paid from your deposit account when the loan with the loan proceeds. Your contribution will become the savings. Do you guys get that? So that means that every time that you pay, whatever that you choose to pay is going to go into a savings account. Okay. And at the end of the 24 months, you're going to get all of that money back. That's huge. All right. Number three, you'll be able to build payment history. Each payment is reported to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. On-time payments build positive payment history and your credit. Guys, this is another huge benefit. Why? There's a lot of credit builders that are out there. For whatever reason, they're only reporting to one bureau, two bureaus, whatever, right? But this is actually great because there's not a lot of credit builders that are out there that report to all three, okay? So this is going to be huge. So make sure you make those payments on time too, because there have been videos I've done about credit builders, and then people have gotten the credit builder and they say, oh man, later down the line, this thing dropped my score. And I was like, well, were you on time? And it was like, no, I think I missed one or two payments. Just like anything else, if you're late on that, it will affect your credit score, guys. The whole point of having this is not just to have another random account. This is another easy way to build your credit. Now, granted, you got authorized users and stuff like that, and you have the traditional way of building credit. But what's so great about this is that, you don't have to get that hard inquiry. It's not something that you have to use or spend money in order to build your credit. You're saving money and you're building credit. And guys, that's huge. Okay. Number four, better credit, more savings. After 24 months, you'll have paid off the loan. You'll show positive payment history, built credit, and you'll have access to all the money that you contributed with your credit builder accounts. Okay. What their members are saying. So you guys can kind of get an idea of what their members are talking about. Okay. And then to kind of give you like a quick recap, because don't forget, this is more than just a credit builder. It's going to be the app, and the app is going to be able to track your finances and just let you know your overall financial picture, guys. A lot of times we talk just about credit, but guys, we got to talk about income. We got to talk about your habits. We got to talk about budgeting. We got to talk about savings. We got to talk about investing, because all that's going to be a part of your entire credit profile. Okay. But again, you'll be able to build your credit for as little as $1 a month, and they'll help you build positive payment history. And you can get up to $250 instantly. Okay. So you could tap to get an advance notice within minutes. No interest, no credit check. You can also manage your budget, understand your spending and earning trends as well too. And you'll be able to protect your identity. You'll be able to keep your identity safe from fraud with up to $1 million in protections. Now let's go over the frequently asked questions about this particular product. Okay. So number one, We talked about how that was going to work, okay? Bridget is going to arrange a credit builder installment loan for you and its deposits into brand new deposit account with Coastal Community Bank. So a bank has to financially back this, okay? Each month, the minimum loan payment is split into two. You choose an amount of your choice to contribute any amount between $1 and $50, and the rest is paid from your new deposit account, which holds the loan proceeds. Each successful monthly payment is then reported to the three major credit bureaus, building positive payment history. The portion of the payment that you contribute each month also adds to your savings, which you can access once your loan is repaid. Once the loan is repaid in full, you'll have built positive credit. You'll have built positive credit history. Okay. You'll also get back the monthly payments that you put in. Okay. So now we already kind of went over this part. I might just go into some of the frequently asked questions I think you guys may have. Okay. Will it be a hard pull if the credit score when they open up the account? Very good question. No, there is no credit check done as part of opening your Bridget Credit Builder account, and no minimum credit score required. Every month, they will report to the credit bureaus all account and payment information related to your loan, which will impact your credit score. Obviously, that's going to push it up, or if you're late, it's going to push it down. Okay. Will the credit builder affect your score? Obviously, it's going to push it up. Okay. When you first open your credit builder account, you may see a small dip in your score because it's a new account. I'm glad they mentioned that. This is normal. It happens whenever a new credit account. Oh, of course, I just said that. As you start making monthly payments towards your credit builder loan, they'll report them to the three major credit bureaus, which also builds positive payment history, the most crucial factor for your credit score. Okay. Why do I sign up? It makes sense. Do you report to all three credit bureaus? Yep. How much does it cost to build your score? All right. In order to open your credit builder loan, you must sign up for the Bridget Plus, which costs $9.99 a month, $10 a month. Okay. And commit to contributing at least $1 a month towards your monthly credit builder loan repayment. There is no additional cost, no interest, no late fees, nothing. Okay. So the app access is the $10 a month. That's just the app access. Okay. And that's going to come with the budgeting, the personal finances, and everything. Okay. But that unlocks the credit builder for $1. So technically you're paying about $10 to $11 to go ahead and do that. Okay. Do they perform a credit check? No. Bridget does not perform a credit check when you open the credit builder account and get your credit builder loan. They collect some personal information. Obviously, they got to make sure that you are who you are and that they're reporting the information to the right credit profile. Okay. Like name, address, date of birth, social security number, and in order to verify your identity, but they do not perform a hard credit inquiry. There is no minimum credit score required to open the account. Okay. Ooh, this is huge. Can I cancel my credit builder at any time? Yes. Okay. Sometimes financial circumstances change. So we do allow you to cancel your credit builder account anytime. So if you choose to do so, any remaining loan balance will be paid for from your deposit account, and any amount remaining will be sent to your connected bank account. Okay. What happens to my loan? Very good question. Your loan proceeds get deposited into an FDIC insured deposit account in your name that only Bridget is able to access. Bridget uses these funds to pay the remainder of your monthly loan balance. Your contribution can be as little as $1, but the difference between the amount that you contribute in amount and the dues that is due comes from the $600 loan in the locked deposit account. At the end of the loan term, your monthly contributions come back to you as savings. The $600 loan will show up in your credit report, although you're not receiving the proceeds. This is how Bridget helps you build credit. Okay. Can I access the money from the credit builder loan? People have asked this before too. The answer is no. Okay. Unlike traditional personal loans or Bridget Instant Cash, you do not have access to the money from your Bridget Credit Builder loan. When your credit builder account is open, the loan proceeds are held into a new secure deposit account that they open with in your name. You can access the funds remaining in your deposit account once your loan is paid off in full, because now you've saved the money. Why? Your Bridget Secure Deposit Account is designed to facilitate on-time payments and establish positive payment history, the most important factor to build your credit score. If you need access to money immediately, consider Bridget Instant Cash instead, which you guys can kind of learn about that on their site as well too. And then how can you access your savings? You can access your credit builder savings at any point by heading to the credit builder section inside the Bridget app and tapping withdraw funds. From there, you'll be able to select the amount that you want to withdraw, either a partial amount or the entire amount that you've saved up to keep saved up at this point point, saved up to this point. Keep in mind that the savings will be transferred to a checking account that you have linked to your Bridget Plus account. Okay. All right, guys. So if you're looking to go ahead and get started with that account, the link is in the description down below. So you guys are going to apply for that as well too, if you're open to it. And again, guys, if you like this video, like it, you want to share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but great content well on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.